Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Xiaomi Redmi 4 Turbo and I want to show you how to change audio balance on this device. We start off opening settings application and it scroll down and look for our additional settings selection and accessibility. Now we choose our vision and their magnification. We must turn on our shortcut magnification, confirm by OK, and we have our shortcut, which position we can easily change by tap on it and swipe with it on it, or we can edit it by swipe with it on this part, and we can change how we want to activate it. To zoom our screen, we tap on our shortcut and tap on screen. We can easily change position of it using 2 fingers and swiping with it on screen. We can easily turn on or turn off, or when we are turned on, we can go up and down when you use 1 finger. To turn off it, press again on your shortcut. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.